Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to know if someone blocked you on Instagram. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application over at your mobile device. Once you are on your Instagram, this time search for the person's username or the account. Then let's try blocking him for first. I'll do this as an example. I'll try to block my best friend Rahim in this case. In here, I'll click on his profile name and then on the three dots and then click on block. Once I block him, I'll click on block once again. Now to show you this fully as an experience so that you will learn, I will now switch my accounts at Instagram over to my friend Rahim's account. I borrowed it from him a while ago. Now that we're in his account, this time, let's try searching for my very own account and let's see if I've been blocked already. To do that, go to the searches and then search for their username. And as you can see, when I go to the searches, it's nearly impossible for me to find his account. In here, the reason why you cannot find them is because they already blocked you. So if somebody is like, I want to give you my username so you can add me over at Instagram, and they didn't show up, there's a big probability that they already blocked you. Sad, huh? But don't worry, you can always make up for it. You can be friends again so that they won't have to block you anymore. Or they could be blocking you because they have a surprise ready for you. Maybe it's your birthday. Who never knows? And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.